Good morning, children. How are you all? Are you all fine at home? Yes. Okay. Stay at home, be safe, and please follow the lessons which the school is forwarding to you all, and also complete your assignments. Today I am going to take a lesson from the EVS, and before that let me ask you a few questions. Who has created the world, children? God has created the world. And what do you see around you? You see so many things around you, like trees, mountains, rivers, and all these things are there. And we see them. And God has also created human beings and has gifted human beings with 5 senses. Now these senses are like hearing, seeing, touching, smelling, tasting. All these are the 5 gifts that God has given us to all the human beings. So these senses are supported by organs which are called sense organs. So today we are going to learn something about sense organs. Yes, as we have learned that there are 5 senses and there are 5 sense organs too which are supporting these 5 senses. So coming to the first one, let us see what is this. Yes, tell me children, what do you see on the screen? Yes, these are your eyes. How many eyes do we have, children? We have 2 eyes. Now, close your eyes and try to look around the things and tell me what do you see around you. No, yes, you cannot see because you are closing your eyes. Now open your eyes, children, and look around and see what you see. You can see so many things around you. Why is this so? This is because you have opened your eyes. That means eyes help you to see. So eyes help us to see. Eyes helps us to see the things around us. Okay. So clear, children, with eyes. Now next we will be going to the second organ, and look at this picture on your screen and tell me what do you see. Yes, this is your nose. We have one nose, and so we will learn what the nose does for us. Now, in the kitchen your mummy is preparing biryani or some special curry or rasam or something like that, and suddenly you are sitting in the next room and you get the smell of the biryani. So can you tell us which sense organ is helping you to smell the biryani smell? Which organ, children? Yes, the nose. The nose helps you to smell the things around you, whether they are good or bad. So the good smells are like your biryani smell, and the good curries, whatever your mummy is making, or the sweets. So these are the good smells. And the bad smells, what are the bad smells? Bad smells are the smells coming from the garbage bin or the rotten things which are lying in your house. So you get the bad smell. So all these things, all these smells, who is catching it? The nose. So we smell, the nose helps us to smell things. Right. Next we go to the third organ. Yes, what do you see on your screen? Yes, this is your ear. How many ears do we have? We have 2 ears. Now what is this ear doing for us? This ear, how does it help you children? Now, if you have somebody in your house playing a very good music and you listen to the music. So can you tell me who is helping you to listen to that music? Yes, it is your ear which is helping you to hear the beautiful music which is going on. And if there is a loud sound coming out from outside, a car or any vehicle honking very loudly, then again, who is catching the sound? Your ear. Your ear is catching the sound. So the ear helps you to hear. Hear the sounds. Now, after the ear, coming to the next organ, that is your look at this picture. What is coming out from the mouth? What is hanging out from the mouth? Yes, that is your tongue. The tongue, when you open your mouth, you see the tongue first and the teeth also. So we will be learning about the tongue and its functions. So this is your tongue. Now what are the functions of the tongue? If mummy has prepared something very sweet and she has kept it on the table, say gulab jamun or something. So when you put the gulab jamun in your mouth, what type of taste do you get? Yes, sweet taste. Now who is telling you the taste of the gulab jamun? The tongue. The tongue is telling you the taste of the gulab jamun. Now if you take a pinch of salt and put it on your tongue, what will you feel? You will feel the saltiness of the salt. So again the tongue is telling you the taste. And the tongue also helps us to speak. If we don't have a tongue, we cannot speak. So tongue is also helping us to taste things and also to talk. Helps us to taste things and also to speak. Now coming to the last, the fifth one, that is the last sense organ, which is the biggest amongst all the other four sense organs. So this is covering the whole body. Okay, just see this picture and then look at this picture. What is this? This is your skin. Now, when you go to the doctor and the doctor gives you an injection, and how do you feel? You feel the poke of the injection needle. So, which sense organs do you think is sending the message to the brain that you are feeling the poke of the injection? Which sense organ? It is this organ, that is your skin. It is this skin that is sending the message to the brain and you are feeling the poke of the injection needle. Similarly, if you go out into your garden to pluck a rose flower, and you know on the rose plant we have thorns. Suddenly a thorn pricks your finger and immediately you move your finger from that plant. So, who is sending the message to the brain, and this pricking sensation is felt by you? Who is sending this? It is the skin. So the skin sends messages to the brain, and you feel the prick of the thorn or the needle of the syringe, injection syringe. So the skin is just telling you about the sensation or the touch of something. So skin tells you about the touch and gives you a sensation, feeling, and gives you a feeling. And gives you a feeling of something poking or something hard, something soft, like your mother puts powder on your face. So the puff, how is the texture of the puff? It is soft. So softness, hardness, what is hard? Rock is very hard. So if you hold the rock in your hand, it is very hard. So all these feelings, touch and the feelings of these different textures and all, it is felt by the skin. So these are the 5 sense organs that enable us to hear, see, smell, taste and also touch. Get the feeling of the touch. So thank you children. Go through this lesson and then do your work.